India is deemed to be the youngest country of the world, and this is its biggest strength. Yet, lack of formal skill education in all sectors hampers the efficiency of its workforce. According to a survey, only 9% of India's workforce is professionally skilled. The industrial sector will need at least 2.5 times more skilled manpower by 2022. NRLM, NSDC, ITI, etc. are trying to bridge this gap through Skill India mission. Let us see one of the initiatives of Bosch. True to its mission statement, Bosch strives hard to enable and empower individuals through education and technology. Bosch India's social engagement focuses on 4 pillars of innovation, namely We Skill, We Care, We Share, We Empower. Under We Skill, Artisan Training Center (ATC) is the flagship program in skilling ITI passed out youth in electrician and wireman trade. In close coordination with Directorate of Vocational Education and Training (DVET) and like-minded partner companies, a comprehensive curriculum is designed.
Under the Skill India, DVT Mumbai and Bosch India Foundation started artisan course for the ITI electrician and MCC student. In this course, we upgrade the knowledge of the student, and after upgradation of and completion of this course, all students get a 100% placement in various industries in Nasik, and this is achieved due to only the Bosch India Foundation efforts for artisan.
A systematic selection process is carried out, which also includes counseling of the parents. This, in fact, is the uniqueness of this process. After a thorough medical examination of the shortlisted candidates, the final selection process is completed. The selected candidates are then put to a rigorous training process, which includes employability training, technical training, and an on-the-job training. Training on employability skill includes first aid, soft skill, customer interaction, and 5S. It also incorporates safety training, which covers electrical and traffic safety protocols and procedures. The trainees are also provided with safety booklets as well as detailed safety manual for electrical installation and wiring. The technical training includes use of power tool, skills pertaining to cable termination, use of measuring instrument, CCTV installation, and use of different switches, switch gears, distribution boards, and bus bar trucking system.
Looking towards the success of this Artisan Training Center Nasik, started in 2017, we are now on the path of establishing additional centers at different locations. The objective behind establishing these centers is to provide benefits of this skilling program to the potential and needy youth. The best part of this training program is not only giving training in residential wiring but also giving advanced training on software like AutoCAD, which is the requirement of recent trends in electrical market.
In addition to the in-house training, industrial visits are also organized so that the trainees are exposed to the actual industrial environment. It is matter of pride that the reputed industrial organizations like Siemens, Ligra, Rishabh Instrument, Fox Solution, Mahindra Rise, Satyam, Visionary Technologies, Technocards, Devang Electricals, Electrical Contractors Association are the partners in this initiative, providing not only classroom training inputs but also on-the-job training. During the on-job field work, trainees actually get real-work exposure and learn the team dynamics. This helps them to get the feel of working environment challenges. While the trainees are examined and monitored during the entire course period, a final assessment takes place after on-the-job training based on actual skills acquired by them. They are awarded certificates in the presence of their proud parents. Our happiness knows no bounds. Looking at the smiling young faces who are on their journey to build a new India.
आम्ही मोठ्या अभिमानाने सांगायचो कोणी विचारलंस तर मुलगा कुठे जातो ITI नंतर आम्ही सांगायचो बॉस ट्रेनिंगला जातोय तर इतका म्हणजे तो पुढे जाऊ राहिलेला आहे. त्याच्यामुळे आम्हाला त्याच्या जे लाईफची जी चिंता होती ती आता कमी होऊन गेलेली आहे.
तिचा ITI झाल्यानंतर आम्हाला खूप प्रश्न पडलेला की पुढे काय करणार. नंतरून बॉश सेंटरमधून तिला ट्रेनिंग मिळाली. ट्रेनिंगनंतर तिला चांगला जॉब मिळाला. जॉब पण ती जॉबने खुश आहे. ती स्वतःच्या पायावर उभी आहे. त्याचा आम्हाला खूप आनंद आहे आणि गर्व पण.
The excellent placement outcomes of these initiatives really makes us humble and more determined to help the society. So, be a part of the wonderful journey. If you have the ambition to be exceptional, we at Bosch Social Initiatives will help you to meet your dreams.